Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, returning up to 54 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers, and it is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles, and we've just completed the 6th service. This particular colour is called Frozen White and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, a few features worth mentioning. You've got your DAB radio there in the centre, and also you've got air conditioning controls below, as well as a quick clear windscreen button as well, so it will defrost the windscreen on a frosty morning, so it saves getting the de-icer out. And this car also has, on the driver's door card there, the electric mirror and front window controls. As you open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you have the really good sized boot there, nice and deep and square, with a split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator kit there, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front fog lights, and also the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.